we have to find the T critical or T alpha over 2. In the previous examples, we did Z alpha over 2. Now we have to do T alpha over 2. That means this is the T distribution with n equal to 24 and 98% confidence interval. You have some idea here. When I say 98% confidence interval, you know that the middle area is 98%, 0.98. And because we are talking about T alpha over 2, along the x-axis, you have the T value. This is different from Z distribution or standard normal distribution. This is a T distribution. Okay, this is T distribution. You can write and label on that graph T distribution. T distribution with, okay, one thing you have to check here, whenever you're talking about the T distribution, you look at the value of n. Here, n equal to 24. So if we subtract 1 from 24, 24 minus 1 is 23. So this is with 23 degree of freedom. So we need something called the degree of freedom when we talk about the T distribution. And your degree of freedom is always your n minus 1. Okay, so we have the T distribution with 23 degree of freedom. We have the confidence interval 98%. So middle area is 98%. So label that area. So this area in the middle is 98% or 0.98. So this is 98%. So that these values here, this is T alpha over 2. This is T alpha over 2. And the value on the other side, that is negative T alpha over 2. Because we are calculating this T alpha over 2, we need the entire area to the left of that. So I need the area on the tail. So let's find the area on the tail. Because you have 98% in the middle, the remaining 2% is divided into two parts here. So on each tail, you have 1% area. So this is the 1% area. This area is 1% or 0.01. And this area is also 1% or 0.01. So you have that area. So once you have that area, you can easily find the total area on the left of T alpha over 2. So let's find that. Area to the left of T alpha over 2 is equal to, you can see in this graph now, from here all the way up to here, that's 98%, then plus 1%. So it is 0.98 plus 0.01, 99% or 0.99. Now, because you have this T distribution here, in order to find T alpha over 2, we use the inverse T in our TI-84 calculator. This is how we write. T alpha over 2 is equal to, we have to use inverse of T if it was a standard normal distribution and you're calculating the Z alpha over 2, you used to use inverse normal. But here it's a T distribution, so you have to use inverse T. The first thing that you'll write is, you'll write the area to the left of that. So from here all the way to the left end, the area is 0.99. 0.99. And then you need to write the degree of freedom. N equal to 24. The degree of freedom is 23. Degree of freedom is 23. This is what you have to write. Or in general, you can say this. If you are looking for any T value, you can write this as a formula. This is what you'll do in your calculator. T, any T, it can be T alpha over 2 or simply T, is equal to inverse T. Then you'll use the area to the left of T, area to the left of T, and then you'll write the degree of freedom. This is what you'll do in your TI-84 calculator to get that T value. This is the calculator prompt that you need to remember. Let me share my calculator now. In our TI-84 calculator, we go to second, then watts, and in this case, we go to number 4 because that is your inverse T. Number 4 is inverse T. You have to put the area to the left of T alpha over 2 in this case, and our area was 0.99. We have the degree of freedom. It was 23. And then paste this in the main screen, and we get 2.4999. From calculator, we got this as 2.4999. That's your T alpha over 2. This is 2.4999.